This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Twitch account username. Follow me to change your Twitch account username, and it's really very easy process to do it. Open twitch.tv. Once you are here, make sure to sign into your Twitch account. Now click on your profile photo and click on settings. Make sure to select profile tab and scroll down. Under profile settings section, you will get username. Click on this pencil icon to change your username. And now you can easily change or update your username here. If the name is available, click on update and your username will be changed. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.